This mini lesson is all about R-controlled vowels that are spelled A-R, O-R, O-R-E, and O-A-R. When the letter R comes after a vowel or a vowel team, the vowel has a different sound. These letter groups are called R-controlled vowels. Let's take a look at the first picture. This is a picture of a car. Let's say the words or the sounds in this word. K, R. Take a look. A-R is the vowel team here, or the R-controlled vowel in the word car. So this lesson is all about R-controlled vowels with the sounds R and OR. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next picture. This is a picture of a fork. Can you try to guess what letters make the OR sound in fork? If you said OR, you are correct. Then let's take a look at the picture in the bottom left corner. This is a shore. What two letters make the OR sound in shore? If you said OR, you are correct. And finally, we have an oar, which you use to row a boat. Now this one is unique because OAR, when put together, makes the OR sound as well. So we can actually underline this whole word, OR. Now for this, we have a list of words. So we're going to read through each word, and I want you to see if you can identify the R-controlled vowel that is in each word. The first word is star. If you said A-R-R, you are correct. The next word is born. What's the R-controlled vowel combination? Yes, O-R. The next one is core. If you thought O-R, you are correct. And the last word is soar. This one has three letters. O-A-R makes the OR sound. Take a moment to pause the video and see if you can read through the rest of them and identify where the R-controlled vowels is. Now you are going to move on to the next step in this lesson and complete an activity where you will write in the name of the R-controlled word or the R-controlled pattern word for each picture below.